Hey, good afternoon. Today we are showing you our 2024 Case IH 2150S splitter planter. Just pulled it out of storage for the winter. This unit is a Ohio State lease return. So the students at Ohio State in Worcester utilized this planter last spring. Only a couple hundred acres, not even a couple hundred acres are on it. But very, very well equipped planter. Let's go up to the row units and have a look. So first of all, we're going to look up top here. We're going to see we do have hydraulic downforce control. So that's precision planting DeltaForce on each row. We're just going to make sure each row unit stays in the ground, giving us uniform planting depth. We're cleaning things off in front of the planter with precision planting clean sweeps attached to Yetter floating shark tooth row cleaners. That's all controlled from the cab. You can control the lift force on that air cylinder depending on your conditions. We do have precision planting V-set meters. This is the latest and greatest technology from Precision Planting. They're going to give you the best possible singulation out there. Your Case IH leading disc openers and reduced inner diameter gauge wheels is going to give you that perfect seed trench. And then we also have the air cylinders down here on the closing system. So we can really crank up the down pressure on this closing system, this two-stage closing system, to make it aggressive in wetter than ideal conditions, as well as any condition where we have, maybe some, a cover crop and we have some challenges closing. So guaranteed you can make these closing systems close for you. We look up top, we got the two bulk fill tanks. Those are all cleaned out. Sitting up there in the center, that's going to be our hydraulic driven alternator. There's a Group 31 battery in that box up there as well, making sure we have enough electricity to run all the electrical components on this planter. We come over to this side, we're going to see the hydraulically driven air compressor. That's going to supply our air for the clean sweep as well as the closing system. One attachment we do have on here is this piece right here. This is an add-on. It's going to be just a deflector for the exhaust out of that fan, just to help reduce the amount of dust. That's a Case IH attachment. So you can run it in the 30-inch configuration, which would be the rows that are on the ground right here. You can drop the splitter rows and get 31 rows of coverage at 15-inch spacing. We also do have the hydraulic cylinder there. That is transferring downforce from the center frame out to the wings. So we're going to make sure those wings stay in the ground even in the hardest of conditions. Row markers this planter is equipped with, and hangs on the 2-point hitch. It is direct drive right off the tractor hydraulics. And let's go check the acres on this planter. It is running through ISO, so this will really run on any display. We just have, lifetime acres. We're just under 200 on this planter. Everything's going to be, we're using a Pro 700 here, but we can, it'll run on a Pro 1200, or I think for the most part, any ISO display. So this planter is available. It has warranty for this season here, and extended warranty is available for actually a pretty reasonable price. So we'd love to help get someone happily involved with this Case IH planter from Wellington Implement. So give us a call. It's at our Wellington location, 440-647-3725. Thank you for watching.